So welcome to this recording, and today I want us to get ourselves used on how we can use Camtasia. There is a video recording software called Camtasia. I think you can see this icon here on my computer. So if you want to use Camtasia, you just need to install this Camtasia software on your machine. So having installed Camtasia on your machine, you just need to open it. You double click to open, or you right click, you go to open. So when you open Camtasia on your computer, it is going to open like this. So having opened, what you do, the first thing is to create a new project if you are new in Camtasia. Or if you have already the existing projects, you want maybe to make edits or build on them, then you just come on open project, so you can go to recent projects. But as of now, I need us to go to new project. I'm already running Camtasia. I don't want to click here. Of course, it will be forced to create a new project. So having created a new project, then you will go to record. When you click on record, it is going to bring this dialog box here, the one you are seeing, the one for recording. It will show you some options here. Do you want to record the full screen, or you want to custom? So if you want to custom the screen, maybe you want only to record this part, you will be forced to select custom and you'll say it's only to pick this part. If you want to record your entire screen, then you'll be forced to click on the option of record the entire screen. So as you're recording, maybe if you get something, maybe I've gotten a person, a visitor has come to your office when you're still making your recording, you can pause your video. And once that person has gone, then you can again click to unpause. Then you continue with your audio or video recording. So once you're done, you can again go ahead and stop the video. Then you start editing in this window here. Camtasia has got a number of properties. Like we have the media. Maybe you want to import media here. You can import media maybe from your local disk, and you have it, you use it when you are editing your video. Then you have libraries. You can also use it for storing your projects if you have done projects. We have animations. Maybe you want to make a description about something you have done. You can use these animations. Then we have transitions. You can also put in your project as you're making your recordings. They can also look so good. Then we have these behaviors. Maybe you want them to pop up as your project is playing. So from there we have animations, but of now we don't have animations, but I also have the option for animation. Cursor effects. Maybe you want your video to have those cursor effects also. You can go ahead and add them there. So once everything is done, you now start editing your video. I think in the next recording I'm going to choose the project. I will use this very project if I finish recording it, and we shall see how it really works. So once you're done with recording our video, you need to export that video. How do you export that video? You just come on the share button here, you click on share. There are different options. You can either choose to screencast.com here, TechSmith video review, anything, maybe YouTube. You want to upload it direct to YouTube, but in most cases, most people they use this one, local file. So when you click on local file, and they are telling you there's no media on the timeline. Why there's no media on the timeline? Because I've not yet completed the project. I want to first complete the project. I think I will again bring that one of exporting video in the next tutorial. So once you are done and you want to start trimming your video that you have worked on, maybe you want to make some edits, then you will be forced to come on stop. If everything you wanted to record is done, maybe it was a full lecture you have taught, you'll just come and click on stop like this.